In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog in Notion. This is a simple Notion tutorial designed specifically for beginners, so we'll take it step by step to ensure you understand everything. Notion is a versatile tool, perfect for keeping your life organized. And today, we'll harness its power to create a straightforward yet effective blog. First things first, we need to create a new page in Notion. When you open up Notion, you'll typically start at your workspace. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar with a button labeled New Page. Click that, and a blank canvas will open up. This is where your blog will live, so feel free to get creative with the title. Perhaps something like My Blog or whatever reflects your blog's theme or content. The second step is crucial: inserting a database for your posts. Notion allows you to manage data in tables, which is perfect for organizing your blog entries. In the same new page, select the option to add a database. You might want to choose a table view so you can easily manage the information. Once created, this table will act as the foundation of your blog, neatly organizing each post you write. Now, with the database in place, it's time to add a few key columns. These columns will help you sort and refine your blog entries. Start with an obvious one: title. This is where you'll input the name of each blog post. Next, include a date column to keep track of when each post was written or published. Lastly, add a status column, which will help you mark whether a post is in progress, published, or perhaps slated for future publication. This can help you keep a handle on your writing schedule and ensure every entry is accounted for accurately. With our structure set up, the fun part begins: writing each blog post. Notion allows for a unique subpage to be created from each entry in your database, acting as a blank slate for every new idea. Click on the New button in your table to create a subpage, and you'll have a fresh space to compose your thoughts. This feature keeps each post in its dedicated area, maintaining organization while providing the flexibility to add rich media, links, images, and more to your content. And there you have it. By now, you should have one neatly organized, easily navigable blog residing in Notion. Remember, Notion makes it easy not just to write and store your posts, but it also lets you share them with others, should you choose to do so. As you grow more accustomed to Notion's capabilities, feel free to explore additional features that can elevate your blog even further. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging.